Yo, good morning guys. The time now, it is already 7 o'clock in the morning. I wake up today around 4:30, and then I prepare myself and I get out here to see the sunrise. But it didn't show up because it's covered with the clouds, and I think it's going to be like this the whole day. I check the forecast and it says there will be a storm later this afternoon. I failed to see the sunrise, and so we are going home now. And do you know that this is again my very first time of recording myself, of vlogging again. After stopping for, first not vlogging for over a week. Oh, there's a bus behind me. And just now I finished this 25 kg of rice. I bought this rice last end of May when I got my provisional driving license. Me and Inigo, we drive to Costco and we bought this rice. I forgot how much. May, so June, July, August, 3 months. It lasts for 3 months. And I'm actually day off today, and the plan is to pick up Inigo in the Newcastle train station. At the moment he is on the airplane flying, coming back here in Australia from the Philippines. It is now already 7:40. It is now 10 minutes before 11 o'clock. I took a shower and ready to go. I am going to pick up Inigo in the Newcastle interchange. So at the moment he just arrived in Sydney International Airport, and the travel time from Sydney Airport to Newcastle interchange is about 3 to 4 hours. It depends on the waiting time, but the normal travel it's around 3 hours. He will be in the Newcastle interchange by 3 o'clock, and I am going now because I am still going to roam around Newcastle. In here in this road it's 100 kilometers per hour, but because my limit is just 90, so I am just 90. You hold me inside out and you showed me what life was about, only you. The only one that stole my heart away. That I know when I show you. You're the only one, only you. The only one that stole my heart away. In my life, to be honest, it is easier to sing while on the bike compare when driving like this. It is more relaxing on the bike when I am on my bike. Of course it depends on how you drive your bike or how you ride your bike, but with me I'm usually more relaxed when riding my bike. Compare when I am driving like this. I really need to focus on driving. Check the surroundings, the environment, the other cars. Always considering the safety of everybody. And bicycle is easy to control also. That's why it's more relaxed for me to bike around. That's why I am able to sing along with the music. And we are now here in Kotara. And I'm going inside of that JB Hi-Fi. I am going to change the, I don't know if it is going to change, but so basically my Insta360 camera is not connecting on my mobile phone. So the Wi-Fi is not connecting, and so that's a big problem. I forgot again my phone in the car. Can I just go down there and go up over there? I don't know if it's no, I don't want. I go to the proper way. Actually, there is no proper way. Oh, we go to the other side. Actually, there is a shortcut on this side. I bought the camera on December 2021. So I think it is still covered by the warranty. 1-year warranty. I hope they are going to change it with a new one. Yeah, because the problem is the software. Okay, so yeah, I already they actually took my Insta360, and they will just contact me once the camera is repaired. They said they are going to send it to Melbourne. Yeah, the service center of Insta360. Not good. I just received a message from Inigo, and he said he is now on the train. Yeah, still 2 hours. Yeah, I just came from Aldi, and I bought this something to eat. $7 total of these 3, and I'm still trying to save. I don't eat in the restaurant still. I was actually tempted to eat in KFC, but yeah, I don't have enough money. Oh, I forgot that I am a vlogger. Yeah, we are coming from that train station, the Broadmead station, and Inigo is now here. Inigo said when he get down from the train, he noticed that it's very quiet compared to the Philippines. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it is now already like 15 minutes to 8 o'clock, and I am preparing my breakfast. This noodles is leftover from yesterday. Basically, after picking up Inigo from the train station, we went to the Chinese restaurant, and we bought this takeaway. Yeah, these noodles. And it is now already 12:25. I am actually going to the accountant, to get the result of my tax return. Yeah, I went there like 3 days ago already. I present all the documents that I gathered, all the receipt, all that information. Yeah, I give to the accountant, and that is what I am going to get today, the result. He already told me that I have $3,000 something as tax refund, which is good. Because you know, last year I didn't get any tax refund. Yeah, that is because of my cryptocurrency. In the previous years, like from 2017 to 2019, I have no idea about cryptocurrency, how it was taxed. And so in 2020 or in 2021, I declared it, and yeah, that's why I didn't get any tax refund last year. I actually paid $4,000 in the Australian Taxation Office, in the ATO. Yeah, that's last year, but now everything was cleared. Okay, so yeah, we are now here in the KFC, and I just finished with my taxation, and it's all good. Yeah, I'll be receiving about my driving instructor. Yeah, I will be receiving about $3,600. Yeah, but the payment, the fee is $500 something. Expensive, huh? Yeah, but that one I understand, because yeah, I was doing different things. My regular job and my other small business. Yeah, those things. That's why it's expensive. If it is just the tax for my regular job,
Hi, what can I get for you?
one original tenders box,
Yeah, was that regular or large?
regular,
And what was the drink?
a Pepsi.
Anything else?
That's all.
No worries, you're at Jabra.
Yeah, thank you. If it is just my regular job, the fee would probably just $150. Yeah, just like that. I remember when I first arrived here in Australia on February 2017, and then by June we received tax refund, and I got $3,000 something, 3,500. It was very happy feeling because we're not expecting to get that tax refund. Yeah, during that time, because you know, in the Philippines we don't really feel the tax refund.
Thank you, Jabra.
Thank you. Yeah, and then on the second year, third year, yeah, I was just receiving about $1,000 something, $2,000 as tax refund.
Hi, we offer sauce.
Mayonnaise,
Sorry?
mayonnaise.
Yeah. There you are, have a good one.
Yeah, thank you. So basically, in the previous week, I tried to focus on this taxation things. Yeah, because I want to maximize my tax refund. And to be able to maximize my tax refund, I need to declare all the things that I spend for my YouTube, for my Amazon, and etc. Like when I buy a monitor for my computer, a camera or table, when I bought these things, those are things that I am using for my YouTube. It means those are tax refundable. Yeah, that's why I'm tried, because I was not really aware in the previous years. That's why just now I am doing these things. Yeah, and that is the reason why I got $3,000 something dollars. And that $3,000 something dollars, I'm going to use that to save for the car, for the next registration, or for roof rack maybe. Oh, there's no space here. Oh yeah, this one, very nice. This very first spot, this is where we're going to stay. Yeah, and I'm thinking of going out to eat this KFC, but there are actually people. I will be eating just here in the car. I'll just open the window, and yeah, there are people there. A couple over here. Nice, they are relaxing, and there's a group of friends. I'm thinking of going there, but yeah, the wind is a little bit uncomfortable. Yeah, this is again another kind of my celebration. Yeah, for finishing. I mean, this is like a rewards for me for finishing my taxation thing. It is true that I am earnings in YouTube, but yeah, it's just not too much. It's just around $200 every month. And then my Amazon, my selling in Amazon is still I'm learning, and that is what is making me busy. And because of this experience, this very busy, hectic, yeah, I'm now going to record all the receipt. I will keep all the receipt and record it right after I got it. Yeah, not it. I'm not going to do it one time like this, what I did previously. It's very time consuming. It is actually raining now. The time now is 3:46.